Hello everyone! Recently the concept Internet of Everything has been really hit, and today I'm going to introduce one of the essential components in the Internet of Things, that is the Wi-Fi communication module, and we're using the ESP8266 This is the circuit diagram, which is drawn by freezing. You can download one if you're into it. Here you can see this is GND and VCC, respectively connected to the GND and 3.3 volt of the UNO. This is the enable of the Wi-Fi module. If it's not connected, Wi-Fi is not available even if you connect the power supply. Here is the TX and the RX, respectively connected to the RX and TX of the UNO board. And then see this resistor below is the current limiting resistor, and if it's not connected, the LED light probably will be burnt very quickly. We will control the LED with pin 13. Okay, connect the circuit, and then let's upload the program. Now we give a little explanation about the program. First, to add the library to build up the communication between UNO and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Then define pin RX and TX. Build a communication object. Initialize the variables about the state of the Wi-Fi module. Here, define the data will be received by the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi will print the space and a string of data as soon as it receives the data. 0 represents the client number of the Wi-Fi module, and the first one means that the Wi-Fi received 1 bit of data. The second one represents the data sent itself. Following, this function is to configure the Wi-Fi module. Here, set up pin 13 as output, because we're going to connect pin 13 to light up the LED. Here, to set up the baud rate of the Wi-Fi module and UNO. Delay for 4 seconds, because the time needed is different every time we configure the module and every time we send a command. The following settings have been tested. If delayed for short, configuration will not success, and the Wi-Fi connection either. And then start configuring. Here is to initialize the module and set up the Wi-Fi application mode to AP and station coexist. AP mode is the client mode, and station mode is the server mode. Set up multiple connection mode. Allow multiple devices connect to the Wi-Fi module. Set up the Wi-Fi module as server. These are to maintain the connection between the Wi-Fi and the client, because as the server, ESP8266 has the mechanism for timeout. Once the connection is established, the server will exclude the client when there's no data sending and receiving in a certain amount of time. Here I set up at 7,000 seconds, and the upper limit is 28,800 seconds. After uploading, it takes about half a minute to run the program. When the LED is on for 1 second and then goes off, the Wi-Fi configuration is complete. Following, this function is the main loop. This piece of code is to receive the data sent to the Wi-Fi module by the server and save in COM data. And this function sets the values of charge for the following judgment according to the received data. Run the following program when it receives the data. When UNO decides to receive data as 1, the variable charge is set as 1. When it's 2, the charge is 2. Following is to reset COM data for the next loop. And when charge is 1, LED on. When charge is 2, LED off. Okay, now upload the program and wait for the Wi-Fi configuration. This is gonna take 30 seconds. And then open NetSys on the computer. Set up this one as the client. And then enter the default IP address of the ESP8266. Default port number 33s. Now do not rush to connect. Click on Connect ESP8266 on the computer first. Then click Connect. When it changes to red, it's connected. Now input 1, the LED is on, and 2, it's off. So this is it. Of course, you can modify the program and control other components. And now it's your time to build your Internet of Things. If you like this video, subscribe and give a like. Great videos are coming up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.